If you're wondering whether you can reactivate an X, formerly Twitter, account after 30 days, the short answer is no. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what happens after that 30-day window, why the account can't be restored, and what your realistic options are if you miss the deadline. This is especially important if you deactivated your account, forgot about it, and now you're hoping there's still a way back. Before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's break it down. When you deactivate an X account, the platform gives you a limited recovery period. During that time, your profile is basically in a suspended state, and if you log back in before the deadline, you can reactivate it. But once that 30-day period ends, the account is no longer recoverable. At that point, X permanently deletes the account and purges it from the system. That means the username, account data, and profile are no longer available to restore. There is no hidden setting, no secret recovery page, and no support shortcut that can bring it back after the deletion window has passed. So if you're searching for a workaround, the honest answer is that there isn't one. If you are still within the 30-day period, the process is simple. Just sign back in using your original login details, and X should prompt you to reactivate the account. But if more than 30 days have passed, logging in will not restore it because the account is already gone from the system. At that point, your best option is to create a new X account if you want to use the platform again. You may also want to check whether your old username is available, although that is not guaranteed. If you had important content, followers, or messages tied to that old account, unfortunately those are not recoverable once the deletion is complete. So the key takeaway is this: if you plan to return to X, always reactivate within the allowed 30-day window. After that, the account is permanently deleted and there is no workaround to restore it. If this video helped clear things up, please hit like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials on the channel.